everyone, welcome back to Lucky's channel. So today I'm back with a small gardening experiment, that is how germination will happen in various types of soil. So before starting the experiment, I have a suggestion for everyone which I used to tell regularly, that we eat fruits and throw seeds. So without throwing them, start, germinate and plant them nearby roadside or public parks so that homeless people will get some fruits to eat in difficult situations. So now let's get into the process. So for this experiment I have taken 4 types of soil. One is sawdust. We usually get this sawdust from wood scraps. This is pure cocopit. This is sand. So this is soil mixed with compost. I'm using custard apple seeds for planting. So I'll plant these seeds in all 4 coconut shells. We're going to check the germination status after 10 days. Seeds kept in cocopit did not get germinated. Now let's check the seeds in sawdust. One seed, 2 seed, 3. So even seeds in sawdust did not get germinated. So let's check the seeds in sand. One seed, 2, 3, seeds in sand did not get germinated? Now we are gonna check the seeds in soil mixed with compost. Looks like one seed got germinated. You can see it clearly. So, one seed has germinated and one seed is about to germinate. From this experiment, we can observe that the seed in mud mixed in compost got germinated faster than seeds in sand, cocopit and sawdust. I hope everyone liked this experiment. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please write in the comment section. If you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.